Good evening, Cicloistas. Ako pala si JB, and this is Biker Gear. Tonight, we have a very special guest. Isang household name pagdating sa Biker Gear na kilalang kilala sa community ng mga riders. He's been in the business for so many years. Hindi mapagkakaila ang mga produkto na ginagawa niya in terms of quality, innovation, at syempre, ang kanyang kakaibang style na pag-distribute, talaga naman kinagigiliwan ng ating mga patrons in the riding community. Tonight, we have with us Mr. Mark Rivera of Overdose Products. Mark, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
So, Mark, let's talk about Overdose Moto Products. How did Overdose start?
Well, it started way back when I was still in office. So, nahilig ako sa motor basically dahil titipid ako sa gas. And then, I started selling items. Nung time na transition from office to actual business, na-encounter din kasi ako ng personal problems in which I took a lot of sleeping pills. That's the name Overdose.
Oh, okay.
Eventually, when I was out of the office na and putting up an actual business and humihingi si DTI ng pangalan na walang kapareho, what better name than Overdose? Kasi lahat ng motorcycle-related names na ibigay ko, Motor Rider Gear, Motozone, lahat meron na eh. Sabi ni DTI, meron na. O Overdose, walang kapareho. Okay, approved. So, there.
And
that's the name.
it clicked naman with the riding community. So, tell us about your line. Ano ba ang mga binibenta mo? Ano ba yung minamanufacture mo? Tell us in general, ano ba yung mga produkto ng Overdose?
So, most of the products that we make are mainly for motorcycle riders. But because probably sa sobrang dami na nagawa natin, minsan tumatalon na to non-motorcycle riders. The products are conceptualized usually by me. When I'm riding, naiisip ko ano ba yung kailangan ko. Sana pala merong ganitong bag. Sana pala may ganitong jacket. Diba, ganun. And then, I come up with the product. Like, my first bike was a Motorstar C200. A lot of people know me with that bike. And ayaw ko nagdadala ng mga kung ano-anong bag na nabibigatan ako. So, I research and supposedly you can create bags that are magnetic. So, that's the tank bag Kings. So, these bags, namamagnet lang siya dun sa may tangke through very, very strong magnets. So, yung mga nag-worry na di ba malaglag, no, it won't fall down. These are special magnets meant to stick to your tank, even at high speed. So, we created variants and sizes. May maliit, may malaki, depende sa ninyo. Kasi yung iba, formal lang, onting gamit lang. Yung iba naman, halos 2 maong, 3 t-shirt, ganyan, toothbrush and gano'n kasi mahaba yung dahil. In any case, useful siya kasi mas magandang nasa harap yung gamit mo dahil mas kita mo yung nangyayari. Ano. There are other bags also that we come up with, again, while riding, like the belt bag. So,
what is this handle for? Parang interesting siya eh.
Yung handle na to, so common ang belt bag, marami namang gumagawa. But the handle is actually for your back ride. Ang tao, hindi sila comfortable na dito hinahawakan sa shoulder. Siguro makilitiin or siguro na feeling nila nakokontrol yung pag-ride nila. So, mas okay sa kanila na dito na lang nakahawak.
At for the rider sa back rider, secured.
Mas secure. Mas maganda yung hawak niya sa kanyang operator.
And just like any of our bags, we usually put a lot of compartments sa mga bag natin. So may several pockets for different sizes of cellphone. We also always put rain cover para syempre pag umulan, alam mo naman ang kalaban natin motorista. At least yung gamit natin tuyo kahit tayo basa. Diba? And then, mahilig tayo makinig ng sound. So usually I put a earphone pocket. Ayan. And then right now, when I started, we used to make the bags in the simplest materials, which was polycanvas. The most common material, I say, because ito yung ginagamit sa mga corporate giveaways. But then I realized, baliwala yung magandang design ng bag kung hindi rin naman magtatagal. So slowly, ito na yung latest generation of bags. We are using Cordura and 3M reflectors. Kasi syempre, pag nagmamotor tayo, maganda yung visible. And then Cordura, this material, of course, napupunit dahil you can't make it into a bag if you can't cut it. But when it tears, hindi siya tumutuloy-tuloy. So you can see in my YouTube demo, there are 2 people naghahatakan. Hindi nila mapunit yung Cordura nung by hand. Kailangan guguntihin.
And for those who doesn't know this kind of Cordura or this thing, is this imported? Or meron
Well,
tayo
yeah. All materials, even if you locally manufacture it, syempre imported yung item kasi we don't have a local mill producing yung material. So we still rely on materials that are coming from other countries.
So even if overdose is considered to be one of the lowest costing products for rider gear, the material alone is basically top-notch.
Yes, top-notch. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nire-release as of now because I want to really test it for a year or so. But if I see that we have a low rate of damage, I can actually later on say that over those products, when you buy it, you have a lifetime warranty.
Wow! Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Bihira yan.
So there, and then aside from having lots of compartments, good quality, our bags also gusto nila dahil minsan meron tayong mga secret pocket.
Oh.
Itong secret pocket na uso to sa mga gun owners dati. But actually, you don't have to have a gun para ma-enjoy to. Sometimes you could put your valuables here, or yung mga hindi mo na gusto na laging kinatalikot, nandyan, di ba? Kasi mas hindi halata. So, yung mga gusto mo lang makita, lalo na for example, you're going to the mall, siyempre, chinecheck na security. Yung mga personal stuff mo na ayaw mo makita, lagay mo na lang secret pocket kasi yung main pocket lang naman yung gagalawin ng security. So, this bag is the Tron bag. Inspired when I was watching the Tron movie. It's shaped like that disc at the back. It's meant to be a backpack. It can be a leg bag. It can be a body bag. Ang technology nito is yung na-alternate mo yung placement ng locks. So, on the side, pwede siyang papunta dito. So, various ways of wearing it. And then, we also make jackets.
Okay. Here we go. Ito na yung apparel.
Yes.
Yon.
So, this design is called the Basic Armor. It's one of my earliest designs. It takes 8 years. Pero still running, still selling a lot. This is actually our lowest quality. The
Lowest quality yan, ha?
Pero sa amin, based on our standards, ito na yung pinaka mababa kasi we make pa high-end jackets to be at par with the imported ones.
Ganda, maganda pati yung likod niya. This one. Yeah, parang may reflector. Am I right?
May abs pa sa harap.
Oh, the laptop bag.
Yeah, this one very,
Okay.
very
Ito medyo weird ang itsura.
So, like I said, tumatalo na. Actually, there are some school kids na bumili na nito. Basically because they like the design. So, why is it considered still a motorcycle bag? This armadillo bag is basically meant to carry a helmet. A full face helmet. Kasha dito, whether LS2, HTC, whatever brand. It looks small, no?
Yeah.
Pero if you take a closer look, the first thing you should notice is nag-expand yung flaps.
I see. I
But
see.
that's not enough, diba? Kasi it's very small. There's a zipper na tago. When you open it,
Nag-expand pa siya.
so what happens is when you put the helmet, nag-expand na to, nag-expand pa yun, nakasya na yung helmet mo from that surprisingly small space. So, ang maganda sa kanya dahil spandex, yun nga, that small variance in the sizes of the different manufacturers, ma-accommodate naman yan. It's like wearing a spandex shirt, diba? Kahit na small yung binili mo and you're a medium, papasok naman yan. Tapos, yun, this is strong actually. We've tried tying this to 2 motorcycles, nakatak niya yung kabila. Yeah, kaya naman. Yan, ganun. So there.
Protection na rin sa back mo, ah. Kasi
Yeah, actually on its own.
Yeah.
Thickness. Yung thickness kasi, one is padded for your gadgets because now uso na yung meron kang tablet, gano'n. And secondly, if you notice, the bag stand up on its own. Kahit walang laman, medyo may form na siya. Oh, that's what, pre-form kung tawagin. That's what we call it. And usually na-achieve natin yun with the Cordura material, with the other materials.
Nice, nice. So, speaking of innovation, quality, so everything is already on the Overdose products.
Yeah.
So, in the future, what else are you putting in store for the riders?
I always listen to the feedback, and some of them are, ridiculous. Like, can you make a tank bag that can become a saddle bag that can become a underbound bag? No one bag can be everything. It can be 3 bags in one, but every bag in one, ganun. Pag may narinig naman ako na medyo okay, like right now, may nagka-clamor na, Mark, gusto sana namin nung jacket na it looks plain and then there's an accent of metal pads. So, I put that in the prototyping unit. So, siguro in the next 2 weeks, makapaglabas kami nun. So, always trying to come up with something new every month. But usually we come up with 2 or more. Ganun. Along with our imports na rin. Siguro the great thing now, because of the globalization of the internet, I'm able to integrate some of the imported stuff with our local manufacturing. Like, of course, we don't manufacture the metal part.
Yeah.
We import it na kasi I have to get the machine pa to get the metal. But now I can get the raw materials and then we can make it locally pa rin.
So, do you have custom-made?
Yeah, we can accommodate custom made for motorcycle groups, either jackets or vests. Wala pa naman nagpa-custom made ng bags. Usually companies yung nagpa-custom made. But yeah, I allow that. I mean, I don't have to put my brand. If the company requests na, hey Mark, can we ask you to make a bag and then we put our brand? Pwede naman, we're very open to that.
So, this is Overdose Moto products. You can never go wrong with the products developed and sold by Overdose. So again, Mark, maraming salamat for gracing our show. Sana next time meron na kaming para sa amin. Ha? In fact, I've been a loyal Overdose Moto product user.
Wow.
How old is this? 5 years?
Yeah, 5 years.
Mga 5 years.
Very durable.
Oo. Saved me from a crash once. Again, Mark, thank you very much.
Thank you.